Rattling or loose hinges, well, that's another feature on the Defender. And my car has that problem as well, as you can see here. When I open the hood, the hinges comes loose and the hood moves towards the window. That's not very good. I noticed somebody has installed these bushings the wrong way, so make sure they are installed the right way, like this. These are plastic bushings, so spray some silicone lubricant. These plastic bushings are really cheap, so replace them if you have any problem with them. You can see the part number right there. When the bushings are installed the right way, you need to open the hood all the way, like this, to get the hinges in place.